Skateboarding may look easy, but there is a lot of physics involved. If done right, your trick could look like this. But if you don't apply the right physics, your trick may look like this. Now get your board and let's skate right into the physics. Rolling friction, a friction force that acts on rolling objects, caused by the change in shape at the point of rolling contact. This force is skateboarding. Without rolling friction, you won't go anywhere because your wheels won't roll. This force can affect speed and velocity also. Speed and velocity, the ratio of the distance an object moves to the amount of time an object moves. The speed you're going on a skateboard is very critical. Speed can determine the height of your trick, if you land the trick, and how clean your trick looks. To gain speed on a skateboard, you push. Clean is how good or well landed your trick is. Pushing is the act of putting your foot on the ground, then pushing off to accelerate. Acceleration is the rate at which velocity changes. To accelerate on a skateboard, you push. If you hit an obstacle without accelerating enough, you can wipe out hard. Newton's third law. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. In skateboarding, your weight is causing the board to be pressed hard against the ground. The board has extreme force acting upon it if you trick off a ledge or stairs. Many times, your force is too strong for the board to handle and it breaks. Sliding friction, a friction force that opposes the motion of an object as it slides over a surface. There's a trick on a skateboard called a slide. This trick is where you turn your board and slide across the ground sideways, causing extreme friction on your wheels. This trick can look cool if done right, but can also wear down your wheels. If you do the slide right, it will look like this. If you do the slide wrong, it will look like this. Kinetic energy is the energy an object has due to its motion. The faster you are going on a skateboard, the more motion you are experiencing. Air resistance is fluid friction acting on an object moving through the air. When doing an ollie on a skateboard, when you go through the air, you will feel the fluid friction, which is air. Potential energy is energy that is stored as a result of position or shape. The higher end of the obstacle the skater is on, the more potential energy the skater has, which can help the skater pull off more advanced tricks. Gravity is the attraction between any two objects because of their masses. Gravity is what sends the skater up in the air for a short period of time, then quickly sends them down. Sometimes gravity could send you down at the right moment when you're catching your board, but gravity can also send you down while you're not ready, like this. Projectile motion is the curved path of an object in freefall after it is given an initial forward velocity. Once the skater has reached the peak in his trick, projectile motion along with gravity sends them straight down. Sometimes this could send you down at the right moment when you're catching your board, but this can also send you down while your board is still spinning, which will make you eat the pavement.